ICI? Hanggang kailan daw po kayo, sir?
As to the status of the ICI, we do not know yet.
Okay.
So wala pa namang guidance ang Office of the President for how long we stay, we do not know, but we continue to do our work.
Kaya sa inyo, day by day.
Of course.
Pero sir, paano kung halimbawa sabihin tigil na, ang dami nyo pending?
In the event na they decide to terminate ang ICI, of course we have to turn over all the documents, all the evidences that we gathered sa ombudsman, and definitely the DOJ, the CIDG, the PNP will take over the investigation.
Pero dapat bang i-terminate ang ICI?
Well,
Given what you have, the
kasi
documents?
it's always the prerogative of the appointing authority if they're going to extend or terminate our existence.
Sir, kakayanin pa ba yung another referral to the Ombudsman, considering na wala na kayong nagiging forum pa ngayon?
Tuloy-tuloy pa naman yung kasi ang naman dyan is whatever the documents that we have lawyers naman, so we can always refer the case to the ombudsman.
Sige.